Look outside. Is it sunny, rainy, or snowy? Today we are going to learn everything about weather.
Hi, how is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. The sun is shining brightly.
Hello, is it sunny today?
No, it's cloudy and windy.
Is it cold?
No, it's cool. Hello, how is the weather today?
Today is rainy and cold.
Oh, I like the rain. Hi, how do you feel today?
I feel freezing.
Oh, is it snowing outside?
Yeah, there is a lot of snow. What is the weather like today?
It's stormy and very windy.
I hear loud thunder.
Yeah, and there is a lightning too.
Wow, look at the rainbow in the sky.
It's so beautiful. How do you feel when you see a rainbow?
I feel happy, even though the air is chilly after the rain. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more lessons.